Let's solve this together. It says x factorial over 6 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. We're going to solve for x in this equation, okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is to multiply both sides by 6 factorial. If we multiply the left hand side by 6 factorial, we are left with x factorial. So we're equal to multiplying this side by 6 factorial gives us 6 factorial, 7 factorial, okay? Now, let me explain what we mean by factorial so that we can solve. Factorial, if you say a number, let's just pick 5 for example. Factorial, it's equal to multiplying 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 and by 1. So you multiply the number till you get to 1. You multiply these by these numbers till you get to 1. Okay? So it means that 6 factorial here is 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 7 factorial as well is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so this is what both of them are. Now remember that you're required to solve for x factorial, okay, without calculators because it's Olympiad. So without calculators, you're required to solve for x factorial. Now x factorial here, we are going to build it up from 1. Because remember that we're multiplying all the way to 1. And if you look here, you see that x factorial is a product of both 6 and 7 factorial, meaning that x factorial should be greater than both 6 and 7 factorial multiplied, okay? Now, what you're going to do is to build this number up from 7 factorial because you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, okay? 7 factorial, we already have 7 factorial here. So we're going to try and find this numbers we can multiply all the way till we get to the last, so we use up the last number here and form a factorial, okay? So let's do that now. For the first number, we have 1, okay? So we have 1. We can cancel both 1s because 1 times 1 is 1, alright? The next number we have is 2. So we have times 2. We can take one of the 2's here. 3. So we have times 3. We have 4. Cancel 4, 5, cancel 5, 6, 7. So we have times 5, times 6, times 7. Okay? Now, we want to find 8, okay, because 8 is the next consecutive number, alright? So 8 can be built up by multiplying by multiplying 2 and 4, okay? 2 times 4 is 8, so we have 8, alright? The next number is 9, right? So what you're going to do is to take 3 from 6 to give us 2, and take 3 from 3. So we have these 3, multiplying the 3 that we got from 6, and we have 9, alright? What's left here is 2 and 5, okay? 2 times 5 is 10, okay? So there we have it. So it means that our x factorial is equal to 10 factorial because I see that this is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, alright? So this is our x factorial. Our x factorial is equal to 10 factorial. Okay, meaning that our x, so we can conclude here that our x here in this equation is equal to 10. Alright? So this becomes the final answer to this equation. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.